Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi La Specialista with us in the shop, and I came in because the grinder side, it actually wasn't grinding enough coffee into the portafilter. It'll be short quite a bit. If this line is the indicator, it'll be, less than a quarter inch below. That'll make your coffee run a little bit faster. You probably get a lot of under extraction instead of proper extraction. Now the issue that we found is that the grinder motor is just revving a little bit slower. These grinders that are inside these semi to super automatic machines, they're not the most powerful grinders. So after time, it'll start revving slower. Doesn't mean the burrs are duller. It just mainly means that the motor is spinning slower. Now, luckily, DeLonghi does have a solution for this built into the internal settings. I have a kind of a page from the manual here to kind of show it off. But for the most part, it's what you would do is you kind of see it here. It's called extra grind adjustment. You do have two ranges. So the first range is how the machine comes out of the box, which is your normal grinding setup. The second range, however, is when that motor starts to rev slower. That allows if you change it to the second range, it allows you to let the grinder run for much longer, which means that this dose level setting changes quite a lot on that second range. So we are going to see we're on a double shot, a little under half, and we're going to start grinding coffee. You're going to notice that it's going to grind for much longer, even though we're on the lower end of the dial. So we're going to let this fully grind. And we are going to brew with this coffee just to kind of show that it is brewing normally. We're going to tamp once or twice. And as you can see, the coffee's already filled up to that brim. Now you could keep going further. When I first changed it over to the second range, anywhere past here is actually filling the portafilter too much. So you do have that full range of brewing or grinding. Now we're just going to quickly brew that double shot. But now that you're in the second range, you should be perfectly fine. The real solution to this issue would be to replace the entirety of the grinder, but from how the coffee is brewing, of course, the second range, how it's acting with your portafilter, I honestly think you should be fine until those burrs become dull, just because DeLonghi doesn't sell replacement burrs for this model. So you can, use the grinder all the way up until, you really need to replace the grinder, and then replace it then. So you could get pretty much a new experience from it. But how the machine is right now on the second range, it is working really well. As you can see, we're in the optimal zone. Our shot's coming out really good, and all that was under the first half of the dial. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.